Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sack your manager for free up your capacity, and this is how to easily release your manager in eFootball 2024. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the objective or mission so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap my team. This one, tap it and tap the middle one, the managers. As you can see, I do have three managers for my team. So if you wanted to sack or release your manager, just tap it. For example, this is my first or the default manager for my team. Just tap this one, the red one, tap release. And if you release this manager, no item will be gained from the release, so it means you are release the manager for free. Tap the release and finish, and it done. So release the Mia Granero. No item will gain from this release. Tap OK. So as you can see, my manager is 2. Before that, there are 3 managers on my list. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.